Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how you can get more columns in Google Sheets, laptop or PC. Alright guys, and let's get started. First of all, open your Google Sheets on your laptop or PC. And here I have opened my Google Sheets and we're going to add more columns to this table. I'm going to add one column to this part. I'm going to add column between stock column and order column. So I'm going to select the column, and after that we can click on insert and click on insert one column, right? Okay, and I'm going to give you an example, another example, and I'm going to add column to this cell. So the first thing we should do is I'm selecting the cell like this and click on insert and click on column and insert one column, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can get more columns in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.